everyone! Today I want to share an incredible review from one of our happiest clients, Olga Paneta. She recently left us some amazing feedback on a verified product review website, and I just had to share it with you all. Olga wrote, "Stacy and all the staff that are dealing with my case have been amazing and friendly. They have worked to get my credit file back to normal. They are doing an amazing job, so thank you so much." Wow! Isn't that just wonderful? It's stories like Olga's that truly make my day and remind me why Stacy and her fantastic team do what they do. Their dedication and friendly support have clearly made a huge difference in Olga's life. If you're struggling with your credit file, just like Olga was, don't hesitate to reach out to Stacy and the team. They are committed to working hard for you and providing the best service possible. Remember, your credit file is important, but you don't have to face it alone. Let Stacy and her amazing staff help you get back on track. Thank you so much, Olga, for your kind words. And a huge shout out to Stacy and the team for their incredible work. Keep up the fantastic job, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay positive and keep smiling. Bye for now.